Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll set the parking brake on the old Ford. No, there it works. I don't see if it holds. I got it does. So we'll start her up. 3 on the tree. We put a new sending unit and fuel tank in it. You can see it's got quarter tank fuel. Got good oil pressure. It does got a mist to it. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Definitely a project truck. Fan works though. Radio does not work. Horn does though. Wipers don't. We'll check the lights here. Dome light does not work either. Looks like I got marker light, not a headlight. Might be in the dimmer switch. So you can see it runs a little rough. But we haven't done anything with wires or plugs or anything. And the tail lights work. So let me just quick hit the dimmer switch a couple times. See if the headlights work. Nope, so we might have bad dimmer switch. So, project truck needs a little more work, but runs and drives. Watch the driving video also. 605-695-7391.